Welcome back to my channel. So, for today's video, ang i-react ko yung ni Kane Pixel. So, ito kanyang YouTube channel. So, mag-react ako ng 3 series ng kanyang in-upload. So, this is 1 year ago. So, medyo matagal na. Last year pa to. So, yung 3 series na yon is i-react ko. Pero, yung 2 series is yung ito sa video na to. So, yung oldest view, renewal, and the oldest view beneath the earth. So, ito yung i-react ko for today's video. Then, yung pangatlong series is yung Rolling Giant, the oldest view, part 3. Sa susunod na part, or sa susunod na part na na lang na video yon because medyo mahaba yung last. Kasi 46 minutes and 18 seconds. So, medyo mahaba-haba siya. So, ang ko, yung 2 series muna. Kasi yung first series is 4 minutes and 5 seconds. So, kaya yon. And 12 minutes and 8 seconds. So, kaya din siya sa isang video. So, hindi ko na papatagalin to guys. Let's go to the video. Let's react. So, ito na guys. Ako na yung video. So, yung first video na i-react ko. So, the first series is the oldest view renewal. So, ito yung re-react ko ngayon. Then, yung next yung isa. So, headset lang ako and let's play. Blur talaga or dahil nakapokus lang siya dun sa flower kaya blur. And ano siya, colorless, gray or black and white. Hindi kaya dahil siya, yung ano mo yung old, yung sa mga film na black and white, kasi yung parang panahon niya is parang 80s, 1870s or something na ganon yung panahon niya. Kasi black and white siya eh. Hindi siya yung color. Ano kaya ito? Naglalakad lang siya sa gubat, parang ganon. Talagang colorless siya, no? Gray lang siya. Wala siyang kulay. May thunder. Mukha atang ulan eh. Parang nagka-crafting. Ginagawa na. Sana hindi makapiright. Kasi yung music, sometimes nakaka-copyright kasi. Ano nagawa niya? yun yung first and this is the second one. So, yung second one niya is yung the oldest view beneath the earth. So, eto siya. And yan, na natin. Wait lang. So, nire-ready ko pa siya. So, this is beneath the earth. Play na natin. Ano kaya ito? Kaya pupunta to?
What's up, guys? Wyatt here. I hope you're all having a great day. I know I am, because today I've got something really cool to show you that I found. I'm currently on my way to, I shouldn't say the name of the park, I don't want to, just because the spot I'm taking you to is technically
So, ano siya?
pretty far into private property.
First point of view.
Not going to get into that, not going to worry about it, but generally trespassing, not good. don't trespass. I'll probably be fine, but don't trespass unless you found a really cool secret tunnel in the woods that you want to check out and show to your internet buddies. In that case, I think it's fair game. So from that, you might be able to deduce what I'm planning on showing you guys today. So stay tuned.
So, pupunta siya sa isang tunnel. Parang secret tunnel na
It's super windy right now, so I hope you guys can hear me. I've been walking for like an hour, 45 minutes, and I got turned around a little bit back there, but I think this is the spot.
Ano kaya ito?
I gotta get a little further. Okay, yes, this is it. So, here is.
What the fuck is that? Ano yung Alice in the Wonderland? Pupunta ka sa Wonderland.
Tiny little hole in the ground. Honestly, just like a little cave or something. I don't know. That's what I thought it was the first time I saw this.
Yung ako sa'yo, hindi ako tutuloy.
It's out literally in the middle of nowhere. Under this big oak.
Sabagay sa ano talaga ibang bansa, once you saw something na hindi mo ma-explain and curiosity hits, talagang ginagawa talaga nila. Tingnan mo, what the fuck? Pupunta ka hanggang doon. Paano kung may something dyan? Ilikwak ka na.
So I didn't notice this before last time I was here because I was in a rush and it was a lot darker out, but it looks like these stairs used to go up further. If that makes sense. And what I find really weird is that all the lights, these lights are on. So that tells me that they're still something active. But then the entrance is so tech. Is that it's just strange.
Ano, bababa siya all the way down there. Tapos pag-aakyat ka, hingal. Nakakapagod kayo umakyat.
Anyone's gonna be around here.
Walang problema sa babae, pero yung akyat, oo, may problema.
The lights are on.
Gusto mong umakyat, pabalik.
I'm stepping into.
Ano ang haba niya, no? Tapos puro hagdan. Jackpot ka talaga dyan. Grabe, ang haba naman ng ano na yan.
This, I think, was about as far as I got. I haven't gone any further than this. Check it out. Going back up to
What the fuck? Ang layo niya na.
get some more space to record my phone since I was really low.
Napakalayo niya na. Babalik ka baba, tapos ang layo, tapos nakakapagod talagang umakyat pabalik. Totoo lang. Nasa ang taas, hingal ka talaga dyan. Grabe din talaga yung pagkanyan explorer ka, tas curiosity ka, tas yung alam ko anong dadating sa'yo. Ah, may hagdan pa. Kabila. What the fuck? Grabe naman, lalim naman yan. Saka ba pupunta? Para sa background may music. Hindi ko alam ah. May narinig ko.
So fucked.
Yung, ang taas na ng binaba mo, tapos bababa ka pa further. Grabe. Ako sa'yo, hindi ako tutuloy.
Just keeps going.
Grabe yung bumaba talaga siya. So, ganun siya kalalim.
I feel like one of these is gonna be a hallway or room or something. Because what else? What is the purpose of these things?
Grabe no, grabe. Pababa siya ng pababa talaga. Oh. Tapos may something na rumito, no?
One thing I really can't wrap my head around is that it has been raining for like the past 2 or 3 weeks. Yet I don't see any water down here. It's completely dry as a desert. So I guess that could be because this is the entrance is at the top of a hill, or the entrance I saw was at the top of a hill, and it's under a tree, but I don't think that would deflect that much water, so I don't know if
May dilim na doon sa dulo.
I will say
God.
it's starting to get pretty cold down here though.
Ano ba? Endless stair ba yan? Wala nang ilaw din, no? Bababa ka pa rin. Pamputek yan.
He keeps going. It's either like something shiny.
The fuck, grabe. Ganun na siya ka, ano?
Up all these stairs.
Ganun na siya ka, ano, kalayo.
Okay.
Hindi rin mo, parang endless stair.
Further
Walang,
I'm starting to
ano, walang
realize
katapusan.
this is a really stupid idea. But hey, natural selection. Right?
Nasaan dilim pa. Parang may paglalobat yan, no? Wala na siyang ilaw. At pag nalobat, wala din siyang mapipil.
Smelling like cut grass. Like mowed lawn. Smelling good after. There's the chlorophyll, right?
Grabe. Pababa na siya ng pababa. Ayan. Pintuan. Pintuan. Pagpasok mo dyan, naisip ko ano, baka pagpasok niya dyan baka impyerno na. Kasi nasa pinakailalim talaga siya. Napaka, ang layo niya ni.
I'm fucking shaking.
Tao na layo. Grabe. Nakakatakot din yan ng pintuan, no? Parang ano, parang may nangyaring serial killer, massacre or something. Tapos ganyan yung tsura ng pintuan. May bigla na pumukas. Or binuksan niya. Tapos pinakita eh. Oo nga, no, parang kala mo may minasa kayo. Tsura. Shower yan eh. Parang siya shower. Napakadumi lang. Yan. Yun. Ano yun? Parang nasa ibang ano siya. Parang alam niyo parang backrooms. Yung galang itsura. Hindi ko nga makita, madilim. Tatanong niya, are you seeing this? Galit. Nasaan siya? Ano eh? Ha? Nasaan na siya? Ano, parang may building sa ilalim ng ano? Kung ano mang building yan? Ano yan? Saan siya? Kumakita, dilim. May music. Nagbe-blur, di ko makita. Shopping mall daw. Parang kakaroon ng shopping mall sa ilalim ng ano. The fuck?
I'm not even sure if I can push this up too.
Oo nga, no. My God, nagkaroon ng mall sa ilalim ng ano, kung ano man yan. So, yun na guys, cut na siya doon. So yung next series na part 3, kasi nga sobrang haba, it's 46 minutes, so medyo mahaba yon. So, irara ko na lang yun sa next video para mahaba-haba din. So, thank you for watching and like and subscribe to my channel. So, thank you sa mga nag-subscribe sa akin and dumadami ang ating mga subscriber, and follow me sa mga social medias ko and I'll follow back or whatever. So, yun lang. Thank you and see you on my next reaction. See you on me on the part 3. Bye-bye!